Connor. Connor. You sitting up all by yourself. Connor. What? Oh, junk. No, this ain't Ma. Ma's on her way home. Good boy, Connor. Look, buddy, you sitting up all by yourself. You're doing such a good job. You sure are sitting up. That's the longest ever. It's a record. Yeah. Definitely a record. Keep it going. Oh boy. Perthy Perth. Connor. Hey, baby. Hey. Connor. What, taking a binky away made you a little unbalanced there? Connor. Hey. Hey, baby. There's go. Colt, what's so funny? Colt. What you doing? Oh, junk. What? Hey. Say hello. What? Who done it? Connie's still sitting up. It's a record. A minute 55. You're doing good. Whoa. Check you out. Well, buddy, I think we got this thing. What, Colt? You gonna give him his binky? Oh. Good boy. Up. Oh, you killed it. Good boy. You gave him his binky and knocked him right over. Teamwork. Good job, Colt. Yep. Connor's out for the count. Good job.